Hello friends, in this video you will learn to solve next greater number set digits program. The task is given a number n, find the smallest number that has same set of digits as n and is greater than n. If x is the greatest possible number with its set of digits, then print not possible. Input output, I will explain the example. Here is the example. Input. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case, we take the number. Then, by observing these two test cases, first test case is 143. We need to find out next greater number that is smaller. Suppose, assume there are multiple greater numbers with this after this digit. In that, we need to find out the smallest one. The smallest one is 314. Like this. By seeing the second test case, this is the greatest one with these digits. So there is no greater number than this number. So output is not possible. To solve this task, I have written a code. Here is our code. For test cases, I am using t variable. By using scan, I am taking the value of t. To execute all test cases, using while loop with t minus minus. We take the number, but I am using a string s as a number and taking the string, nothing but this number. To solve this task, I am using a function next greater number, passing the string address s. Then this is the function string next greater number. We return the string as a we will return the string. That's why I am using string next greater number string s. Then if it is possible or not, we need to check first. Taking this second one by saying this, when I equal to 1, we are at the position of 3 now. Check this. S of I minus 1 is greater than S of I. S of I is 3. It is 4. Yes, 4 is greater than 3. Then it is checked. I plus 1. 2. 2 is equal to 3. No. Then I increments. I value 2 now. S of I minus 1. Nothing but S of 1 is greater than S of I. S of 2. Yes. 3 is greater than 1. Check this. I plus 1. 2 plus 1. 3 is equal to 3. Yes. It is 3 is equal to 3. Then return not possible. So output is not possible. Otherwise, this will come first test case. For the first test case, this block will execute. I am using stock. It takes the integers with the name of st. Started for loop from ending, from last digit onwards. S dot length minus 1. We are at the position of 3. I decrements up to 0. When in this S of I minus 1 is greater than equal to S of I. See this, I minus 1 is the 4. 4 is greater than or equal to 3. Yes, true. Then push the index value to the stock. I value 2 will be pushed into the stock. Then I decrements. I value is 1 now. 1 minus 1, 0. S of 0 is greater than or equal to S of 1. S of 0 is 1. 1 greater than or equal to 4. False. Then comes the else block. st dot push I. So this index also pushed into the stock. Nothing but 1. 1 is pushed into the stock. I am using variable t for swapping purpose. T is there. Starting the while loop. Initially it checks stock is empty or not. Not empty. And S of I minus 1 is 1 is less than S of st top. St top is 1, 4. Yes, S of, sorry, fourth index 1. St top is 1. S of 1 is 4. S of 0 is 1. 1 less than 4, true. Then t equal to st top, st top, t value 1. St stock popped, index 1 is popped out. Then check this, stock empty or not, not empty. It is having 2 value. Then S of I minus 1, S of 0, 1 is less than S of 2, 3, 1 is less than 3, yes, true. Then t equal to st top, st top is 2, t value will become 2, st pop, stock is empty now. Then it is checks, empty or not, empty. Then swap I minus 1, comma S of t, nothing more, 1 and 3 are swapped. 3 is there, 1 is there, 3, 4, 1 is there. Then it is the inbuilt function reverse s dot begin plus I, nothing but 4. It is a position of 4 and s dot end. This is 1. 1 4, 4 1 is reversed. Then that will become the 1 4. Then after return the s value. Output is 3 1 4. See this, our code is right or not by compile test. Yes, expected output, our output is same. Then submit. Yes, it is correct answer with the execution time 0.01. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.